Dear friends, welcome to the video content on atoms and molecules. In this content, we will learn about atoms, how small an atom is, the existence of an atom, studies of atoms, models of an atom, atomic structure, valency, molecules and ions. So let's get started. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of any element. It is the smallest part of the element which retains the properties of the element. It consists of a nucleus which in turn consists of protons and neutrons. It also contains electrons which revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits. Protons are positively charged, neutrons do not have any charge, and electrons are negatively charged. How small an atom is? An atom is so small that it is invisible to the naked eye. A small dot made from the tip of a pencil consists of 25 million carbon atoms. The existence of an atom. Most atoms do not exist freely and combine with other atoms or molecules of the same or different element to form a molecule. For example, two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom to form water. History. The ancient Greeks knew about the existence of an atom as the smallest unit of any element, although this was proven by John Dalton in 1803. History. These are a few of the pioneer scientists who studied the atoms in detail. Ancient Greeks, J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, Niels Bohr. Rutherford's model. Rutherford called the nucleus as a tiny, dense and positively charged core which concentrated all the mass. He also said that the electrons can move about in the volume of space around the nucleus. Bohr's model. Niels Bohr came up with a planetary model of the atom. Here, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits denoted by K, L, M, N shells. These are a few of the examples of this atomic structure. Hydrogen with one electron in the outermost orbit, lithium with two electrons in the first orbit and one electron in the second, beryllium with two electrons in the first orbit and two electrons in the second. Valency. The number of electrons present in the outermost shell is called the valency of that element. This outermost electron is the electron which takes part in chemical reactions. For example, the configuration of sodium is 281, which means it has 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit and 1 electron in the last orbit. Here, this 1 electron is the valence electron. Atoms have a tendency to achieve an inert gas configuration of 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Therefore, neon is an inert gas. Oxygen, on the other hand, needs 2 more electrons in its outermost orbit. Therefore, hydrogen with 1 electron in the outermost orbit combines with oxygen to form water. Atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. An atomic number of an element is electronically neutral because it contains equal number of protons and electrons. Atomic number is denoted by Z. For example, sodium has an atomic number of 11, which means that it has 11 protons. Atomic mass is denoted by A. It is the sum total of the number of neutrons and protons present in an atom. It is denoted as this. Here, 6 is the atomic number of carbon, whereas 12 is the atomic mass of carbon. A molecule. A molecule is an electrically neutral group of 2 or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. A few examples of individual elements are oxygen and ozone. A few examples of molecules of compounds are water and carbon dioxide. Ions. An ion is an atom or molecule which is electrically charged. In an ion, the total number of electrons are not equal to the total number of protons, and therefore an ion is either charged positively or negatively. A few examples are sodium ion and chlorine ion. These are a few of the questions for you to revise the concept with. Thank you for watching this content. This content was developed under Aakash for School Education project. This project is funded by NMEICT and MHRD Government of India. Thank you for watching this content.